Hello everyone, welcome back to our series on understanding update sets. In today's video, we'll walk through how we can move our developments between different ServiceNow instances, that is, how deployment is done in ServiceNow. There are two ways to do that. One way is by exporting and importing an update set, and the other way is by using update sources. In this video, we will see how to do the deployment by exporting and importing an update set. So, when do we deploy our developments in ServiceNow? Generally, once the developers have completed their development, they move the development from the developer instance to the QA instance to proceed with the testing. Or, once the testing is done and the product is ready, the admins will move the final product to the production instance from the QA instance. Now, let's take an example and see how we can move our developments between different instances. First, create an update set and name it my demo update set. Make it current. For this demo, let's modify the incident short description label. Get to the incident form. Right-click on the description field and click on Configure Dictionary. Change the label to Title and click on Update. Now, navigate to Local Update Sets. Change the state of My Demo Update Set to Complete. Remember, deployment can only be done when the update set has been completed. Save the update set. Now let's export this update set. As you can see in the related links, we have a new link, Export to XML. Click on the link. The update set will be downloaded in the form of XML to the system. Now let's see how we can import this XML in a different instance. In the new instance, navigate to Retrieved Update Sets. In the related links, click on Import Update Set from XML. Choose the XML file that we have previously downloaded and click on Upload. As you can see, the update set has been retrieved here. Click on the update set record. The update set is in the state of loaded. Now, click on Preview Update Set. When you click on Preview Update Set, it will preview the problems from the retrieved update set, from the imported update set. Scroll down. As you can see, we have one error. Generally, when such errors are found, we click on Accept Remote Update so that we don't miss out on any of the development that we have done. Remember, once the errors are cleared, we should click on Commit Update Set and not on Run Preview again. If we click on Run Preview again, then it will again read the same errors. As you can see, the same error has been found again. So, once the preview is done, click on Commit Update Set. The update set has been committed. That means the development has been completely deployed here. Now let's verify if the development has been deployed or not. Navigate to the incident form. And here you can see that the description has been changed to title. That means our development has been deployed. And that's how you export and import update set between different instances in ServiceNow. In our next video, let's see how we can do our deployments using update sources. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.